Howdy, James here from Kickstarter, and I'm back doing the review. With the Winter Olympics kind of in full swing, kind of looking at different sneakers and releases that they've dropped. There hasn't been many in relation to the whole kind of USA theme, Olympic theme, for the most part. Obviously we have the NBA All-Star game coming up, so there's been a lot of push towards that kind of sneaker collection. However, one Olympic shoe that's kind of been almost forgotten about is the Air Max 95 Olympics. It was originally released back in 2004 at the Athens Games, the Summer Olympics, but they've actually re-released it now here in 2026. So to get my hands on it, hasn't yet released stateside, so I was able to pick these up over from Europe. So I'm going to take them out of the box, take a look at it, but before we do that, if you could please hit that subscribe button. I've finally reached 1,000 subscribers, so thank you to all of you that do tune in. I really do appreciate it. But if you haven't tuned in yet, again, please hit that subscribe button, and also follow me along at Kickstarter on Instagram and other socials. All right, so again, this shoe originally released back in 2004. What's interesting about it is that it was actually the big bubble back then. Nike then kind of went back to the, well, not back, then they moved forward to kind of like a smaller bubble in terms of the midsole, because it was actually kind of cheaper and easier for them to make. But now when they've redone it, we're seeing a lot of the Air Max 95s, which is having a great 2026/2025 year. The kind of the sneakers back, and now they're doing a lot of the big bubbles, which is that original tooling. So I'm going to take them out of the box, we'll take a look at them, and we'll see kind of how much of the shoe is part of the original release. All right, so here it is. Here is the Air Max 95 Olympics. As you can see from its kind of colorway, very much the Olympic color. So the 5 rings that you see on the Olympic rings all represent a different continent that is competing at the Olympics. And then as well as the color scheme is that every color represented in the rings is found on any of the nation's flags. Kind of cool little thing for those of you who might know, kind of a little bit of Olympic kind of ball knowledge there, you could say. So this came out originally 2004, like I said, at the Athens Games. So one cool thing that they did at the Athens Games was that they put the Greek flag here on the kind of the Air Max, and that actually still reigns true on this part. So you see kind of the blue and white in terms of the flag of Greece. So that's kind of a cool touch. And then along with the big bubble in terms of the midsole that you can see there. Overall, very clean shoe. Obviously the colors kind of maybe hard to pair with stuff, but I think in regards to the history of the shoe is more of kind of a collector's item, but definitely would be rocking this pair now with the Winter Olympics in full swing. Kind of strange that they did release it now, maybe not wait until kind of the LA Games in 2028, seeing that it was a lot of the Nike athletes that did actually rock this shoe at the games. But I'm not disappointed, because it's kind of cool to get your hands on somewhat, you could say, kind of a piece of history. So again, I'll take some closer photos so you can kind of see what it looks like from the different angles in terms of the colors, along with the Greek flag and so forth. But for now, I don't have a release date here in the US. But there are sites such as N Clothing, where I was able to pick mine up from, that do ship internationally. So worth checking it out. So again, if you could please hit the subscribe button. If you haven't already, I really would appreciate it. And then also follow me along on socials at Kickstarter. And I'll be back again with another review soon.